Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, we are learn what is tuple, how it's work, and mainly give one example. This how it's can to do. And we are go to code editor and to do learn our code. What is a tuple? Tuple is a fixed list of item ordered in a specific sequence. Why we are use tuple? Because we are developer must be use tuple faster than list, and also data is safe because tuple cannot be changed. Now let's see what's the example. Suppose I am right here tp then equals I am writing here its first bracket, then I write jihad, then I write jara, and then I write farhan. Now it's mainly working as a tuple defined rules Python in mainly must to be kept first bracket, then it's under this index number or value. It's I am right here int string, but it can be also to do give data type, data type integer data type and other. Now I want to print jihad. So let's print I give index number. This index number is 0, and if I am print it, run this code, it's showing me jihad. Now next code, if we want to integer data type print, okay, no problem. Let's start to try print it. What happened? Suppose I write here student age. One student age is 20. Second is first student age is 20. Second student age is 21. Third student age is 22, 23. Fourth student is 24, and fifth student is 25. Now I have what to do. I want to print 22. Consider this topic. I want to print 22. No problem. I can print it. Print its students. Then node here. It's how many index number showing 0, 1, 2. It's mean number 2 index have this s. Okay, no problem. I write here index number 2, then I print run this code. It's showing me 22.